high-speed train, a most efficiency transportation forms in China. Most of the travelers only know it was quick and it can arrive any place you want. In China, it has 30,000 kilometer length of high-speed rail. But in this video, I will tell you, the train is smart, not only fast. Part 1. The history. To understand the high-speed train in China, we need to go back to the time in 2002. The first high-speed line opened in 2002. It connects Qinhuangdao and Shenyang, but the maximum speed is only 200 km per hour. The Hexie or CRH train was born in 2004. In 2004, the Ministry of Railways of China, known as the China Railway Corporation, conduct a public bidding of the procurement of 200 km classes EMUs. At that time, Liu Zhijun, the Minister of Railway, and Zhang Shuguang held meeting with Kawasaki Heavy Industries of Japan, Siemens of Germany, Alstom from France, and Bombardier from Canada, and requested a public bidding for a train with a technology transfer fee of 150 million yuan and a prototype vehicle cost 250 million yuan. Eventually, Siemens of Germany was rejected due to its refusal of reduced price. Kawasaki Heavy Industries of Japan won the bid based on the CRH2 series, Bombardier's CRH1 series, and Alstom's CRH5 series. In 2006, when the Ministry of Railway was bidding for the 300 km classes EMU, it met with Siemens and Kawasaki Heavy Industry again. This time, Siemens showed sincerity and agreed to reduce the price, and finally won the bid of 60 CRH3 series EMUs, derived from the ICE 3 series. Kawasaki Heavy Industry changed the power mode of the train and finally won the bid of the CRH2C EMU. In 2009, the first Beijing to Tianjin intercity railway with design speed of 350 km per hour was opened. In 2010, the Ministry of Railway carried out the independent innovation based on the two types of trains, and thus launched the CRH 380 series EMUs with a maximum test speed of 486 and 487 km per hour. In 2015, China Railway Corporation further innovated and launched the Fuxing series EMU with independent intellectual property rights. Part 2. The Fuxinghao Smart Bullet Train. The fastest train, Fuxing train, can achieve a speed of 350 km per hour, and it only takes 4 hours and 18 minutes from Beijing to Shanghai. But just now, the train is being upgraded again. It becomes more smart. To prepare for the 2022 Beijing Winter Olympics and showcase the most modern and fast development of China to the foreign friend, the Beijing to Zhangjiakou high-speed line was built with the highest quality. The high-speed line incorporates a lot of new technology related to the control system and catenary system to match the high-tech line. CRRC Changchun and CRRC Qingdao Sifang built and developed a new type of high-speed train, which we call the smart bullet train, specifically CR400BF-C or AF-C. Now I will introduce how this new train becomes smarter than the old ones. The train adds more technological data sign, and the screen changed to a blue color to symbolize a more futuristic style. The train changed the font on the screen to make every passenger can clearly view the screen. The train has a fuel train monitoring system, allowing the driver and engineer in the station to easily view the situation of the entire train and each carriage. If the train encounters any problem, the computer will send a message to both of them. For example, if a train broken on the rail, the computer will send a message to the station. A station will emergency prepare another train to carry passenger for the following trip and quickly ensure the seriousness of the problem and ask engineer to solve it when the train arrives. The smart bullet train used a new design for its head. which decrease wind resistance for 7.9% and make passengers feel more comfortable when train passes through a tunnel. The train also increased the power by 10%, allowing it to accelerate faster. The train features a new first class and business class design to provide a more comfortable riding experience. They add pedal and head pillow for a more comfortable experience. The train also changed the order to the seat to avoid some seats will face the wall without window in the second class. In the train models CR400 BFC, 5162, and 5145, Carriage 5 is designed as a multi-use carriage, which is more suitable for the media and reporter to work and interview people on the train. The entire train is integrated with 5G Wi-Fi system, which helps with faster monitoring of the train and also provide Wi-Fi signal in any region for passengers. The train can run at 30 km per hour for 70 km when the electricity is off, ensuring that the train can safely run to the nearest station if an accident occurs. Last, but also the most important, it has the autopilot GOA4 system. This means the train can operate completely without humans, all controlled by computers, include opening and closing doors, leaving station, maintaining speed, and entering the station. Conclusion and the future. Now the smart bullet train has produced in our 200 routes, but some of the trains do not have the autopilot system. However, it still includes the monitoring system and provides a more comfortable environment for passengers. In the near future, the smart bullet train capable of running for 400 km will be available to us.